Good afternoon, everyone. Off-grid island family of Bohol Island, Philippines. Got a mechanic here for the Pajero. I don't know his skill level, but they look like serious mechanics. It's not fast charge. No, slow. Ray's house. Jaja's goddaughter. Aww. We've been gone for a month and she's changed a lot. Bigger smile now too, I think. So our goal is to just get this thing drivable so I can get it somewhere for an injection pump calibration. What do you want to do, Ray? What do they want to do?
Open ang tanke?
Oh.
Open the tanke.
It was opened. You closed it? Yeah. So they're thinking low fuel. If that would be an easy fix, but I know it's more than that. We still have to do some calibration on the injection pump. We're going to go down here and see if we can get some. They installed a car wash there. That's like 5 peso car wash, and you get 10 minutes or something like that. So we're going to see if they have diesel here. I really don't think so, though. So some diesel guys out there will probably know what that means. My guess is too much fuel, but I don't know. It's like under hard acceleration with the turbo, it feels like it's cutting out, like it's not getting enough fuel. Also, if you have too much fuel, it smokes large, thick, black clouds, which this doesn't. So I don't know what's going on here. I'm just going to try to get it running and then get to the city for them to do the injection pump, because I'm sure the injection pump needs a lot of attention. Red ant. Oh, this hasn't been running several months. Let me see if I can start it. There's gas. So they thought the battery was charging because this was running, but it was running off the battery power there. So now we got the battery charging and we'll come back tomorrow.
Charge the battery.
Wired?
Wild.
Wild?
Yeah. While the engine, if you start, you can wild.
Yeah, but that's why we need to turn the fuel screw down.
The fuel screw is inside is broke. They can plug now, plug out. So that's why they cannot fix.
Did you look already? Did you look at? Okay.
The technician told that it's dangerous to start or run because
it goes too fast.
Yeah.
I know, but let's try to adjust the fuel screw again. Let's look at the fuel screw.
The fuel screw is.
Can you take it out?
The technician told that the fuel screw is broke inside.
But he didn't see. He did not see the screw, right?
Yeah.
I mean.
But.
Can we take it out and look at it? Okay, we'll try. Well, she's finally running again. The technician's trying to convince him that it's dangerous to drive, but I know this Pajero pretty well. I don't think so. I think we just had the fuel screw way out. That's not saying that the pump does not need calibration. It probably does. But I think I can probably drive it to a calibration shop now. Yeah, it's got black smoke, so that's probably strong on the fuel supply. As strong as it needs to be. I think I'll probably just tighten down the fuel screw right there. Test it out a little bit. So I guess the mechanic came on Saturday. Yeah, let's take a look.
You have a line for the technician here.
Hmm?
You have a marking for alignment here.
Yeah. Oh, okay. So they just pulled the pump while I was gone.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. And the injectors I see. Well, I guess that means I'm somewhat committed already to this project. So they said there's rust inside. What caused the rust? From what?
From
Why rust?
airlock.
From airlock?
Yeah.
What does that mean? Airlock run out of fuel?
Yeah. Empty of fuel. This. There's so many rust, so that's why they cannot function properly to your
Well, I don't see rust. Where's the rust?
here now.
That's
And,
very small, no?
Inside
Mm-hmm.
here.
Huh. Well, I don't see the rust, but you see the rust?
Yeah.
You see?
You have.
They have.
The rest.
I don't know why I'm not seeing it, but
Very dark.
anyway.
And then asar mo ba nagsud ano ya? Ito may tip. No tip. No tip.
Injector, not the injectors?
No. This. You need
This
to replace this.
Well, those are supposed to be rebuilt already. Okay, you know what? I have the old ones. I think I'll get the old ones. I have the original. Huh?
The old one?
Original. I have. I think
How many
better.
pieces?
4.
Four.
Yeah.
Is this a new?
Those are rebuilt. They're supposed to be rebuilt. Maybe not true. From
Here? Ah. Yeah. And
Maybe.
the mark.
huh?
Name of the mark.
I don't remember.
And a little small.
The small guy, yeah. Yeah.
Mm,
Not true.
not true.
Uh-huh.
Mm, not true.
Yeah, that's the problem.
The,
You
this,
have,
the technician said is we need to replace this with tip and then this.
Replace or rebuild or
I don't
Replace?
know.
No.
Rebuild.
I will buy a new here. There.
mm-hmm.
Here. Here. And then here.
Oh, this is Mahala.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah. So.
And then calibrate injection pump too.
Yeah. So the best way is the technician come
Here.
and then
and here.
this and this.
And so what? That makes no power? Low power?
No.
Low pressure?
Yeah. Because mini rust.
Well,
So that's why your car he cannot give more power if you.
mm-hmm. Okay. This is an ongoing project for years.
Original ani.
The original is you.
I have.
Oh, yeah.
Just keep it and the
Mhm.
technician let see the like
Yeah.
this. Yeah.
Those can't be cleaned?
I don't know.
Okay, well, I'll ask the
He
technician,
told that- He told that he replaced the tape.
Okay.
The technician is out.
Alright, well, I guess it is what it is. I don't know enough to know what's true or not true, so that sounds right though. Got to get this beast running somehow. And then I think sell it and get a Kubo and electrical system. Off-grid system, solar system. Just forget about the Pajero for a while. Sell it and move on. Back on the Pajero today. Mayo buntag.
Do. Kini yung original, gilisan nila ana. Mong ni original. Gilisan nila ani.
Hindi, tumoy ra may ilisan nana. Lawang gihapon.
Ha?
Ang ilisan nana kani tumoy ra.
Kini ra siya.
Kani housing uli ra ni. Moro gihapon no, lawang mapareho ra man.
Mura?
Asin dia rin tumo. Pareho ra lawang oh. Kani may ilisan kani ba tumoy. Kani tip, nasol tip.
Ah, kinira maibot
Ah,
na.
lawang na dai ni oh, kaning kilid. Tagaptak din ng under sa una.
Hmm?
Milisan kani, musultip. Musultip. Kani uli ra ni housing niya, kani ram tip bilisan. Replace musultip.
Replace the tip.
Rotor head.
What's wrong with these? No good?
No,
Why?
kuha na,
Damaged?
deep na deep. May,
But how does that happen? How does this happen? Why like this?
Deep, difference, no?
It's not level.
Nanay kuan kaon ba? Kaon
Yeah,
sa
okay.
combustion. Because sa combustion.
Combustion?
Sa combustion ng engine.
Ah,
Yes, broken. Kuba na.
high compression.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Diesel.
Here, difference oh.
Mm-hmm.
Difference kaning kilid ba nara? Kani oh.
So these are no good?
No good.
Oh, no good.
But I drove okay. I drove to Panglao. 1 hour.
And your plunger
Mm-hmm.
no good. Broken. Here.
Mini rush.
Here.
Mm-hmm.
Hard starting.
Well,
If
okay.
engine hit easy to start.
Mm-hmm.
But the problem here is you need to cool calm the
Ray, maybe you translate?
mo pabugnawon sa una pa andaron balik kayo init here sa pandaron mao ni ang trouble pod.
I will wait for cold. This one is
Cold.
hot.
Oh.
I will wait for cold because I will do the
If your engine is hot,
Mm-hmm.
the
Hard start?
Hard
starting.
start, oh.
Okay, yeah,
you're
I
waiting
understand.
for
Waiting
cool
for
the
cool
engine,
engine
before you
before
start.
start,
If cool the engine, easy to start.
No power, no power.
Low power, that's
power.
true. Low power, yeah.
Yeah, low power.
Okay. And then,
And the inside of rotor head
Mhm.
loop have a scratch oh.
mm-hmm. Okay.
Replace new one assembly
Where, from China or
from Japan.
Japan?
Yeah,
Okay.
from Japan,
Yeah.
not China.
Okay.
Replace here and nozzle tip.
Okay.
So, the shafting, because the oil is go inside your
Ah, that's why the blue smoke? That's why blue smoke? That's why smoke.
rotor, katong rotor, blue smoke kay ang pressure niya di naman.
yeah.
It's from the injection pump, not from the rings. Okay. Yeah, that's what I
Your
didn't
engine
understand.
is not low compression. Good.
I think it's good, yeah.
Nothing in
No.
heat stick, nothing smoke.
Not before, no. Only after this. So yeah, I'm sure it's probably this, yeah.
Replace rotor head. New rotor head.
Mhm.
Nozzle tip. The supply pump here is resetting lang.
It's what?
The supply pump.
Supply?
Naman siyang
Reset.
bomba yun, diyang bomba.
Only receipt.
Supply pump.
Supply pump.
I don't understand. It's a fuel pump, yeah.
Oh, injection pump. But
Injection pump.
Here a supply pump on his own.
Where?
And
Inside?
Inside here.
Okay, and so?
Inside.
And so?
Resetting. Only reset lang, reset.
I have no idea what he's trying to say now.
Cleaning.
Reset.
Cleaning.
Cleaning,
Yeah,
okay.
cleaning.
I don't have a
But-
receipt.
The camshaft is atong ilisang camshaft kani.
This one is a oil change.
Na naman na say kuan
The camshaft?
on
Yeah.
yang shaft
Camshaft.
injection pump shaft
Change.
used
So,
to sa
ilisan.
o ilisan ni kay na kanta naman ni dadol man ang
Careful.
mga daan. Ano problem? Di ilisan din ni simple.
Murag ibad
Pero wa gyapon useless man yung ilisig tumoy. Tape ba?
Oh, yeah.
Nozzle tape.
Doesn't sound good. Doesn't sound good at
How
all.
will you pay this one?
2.5.
2.5, 1 each?
Each.
No, for 4.
4 each?
254.
pieces.
Or maybe it was 4K for 4.
Yeah, wa ili siya nozzle
So,
tip.
maro yapon.
They did not replace
Not
the
replace
nozzle
the
tip.
nozzle tip.
Yes,
This
useless.
one is good. This one is
Bad.
no
Okay.
more.
Yeah.
At the mechanic shop,
Yeah.
Yeah.
they told me, that guy,
Yeah.
told me rebuilt,
Recon.
refurbish.
Recon. Rebuild.
But no, huh?
Wala ara.
Voila.
Wala.
Scam, okay.
Yeah, this one.
No surprise there.
Housing ko siya na-scam pero sa tip na-scam siya.
The housing
I'm
is
glad
good.
everyone got
The
laugh out of
housing
that
is good,
anyway.
But
Housing is
the
good.
nozzle tip is
The nozzle tape.
Pad thai.
that's all discount.
Okay. Scam on the nozzle tip.
Yeah.
Replace
They did not
turn the nozzle
they
tape
did not
and
replace the nozzle tip.
Yeah, I didn't. Yeah.
This one is
That doesn't surprise me
good
at all.
mechanic because a home
Home
service.
service.
Uh-huh.
You look
Your Pajero is stay here.
Right. Yeah.
And then the rotor head.
That was a big problem.
So I will
you
go
can-
here and then I will align and start. It's okay. It's not okay. It's align
Hey,
the.
mo lang lagi ni boss kay. Ilis-
Timing.
Timing,
Yeah, I know what you mean. Yeah.
and you can just drive or
This.
go uphill or
Uh-huh.
Mm.
Okay.
Sagbayan Peak.
And this is more of the example of the type of content we do on this channel. Documentary style.
If finish job, look the difference of your engine.
Wait, one more. Hi everyone, thank you for watching. And if you want to find your special someone, don't forget to click the description below and find the Christian Filipina link and check it out.
Christian Filipina. It's not a dating site, it's a dating service.
Absolutely.
Great job.
Great job.